how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that has puzzled many. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Let's jump right in. First things first, it's important to understand that WhatsApp doesn't officially allow you to see messages once they've been deleted by the sender. This has led to the creation of various workarounds and third party applications claiming to recover those elusive messages. Today, we'll explore a couple of methods that are commonly used. Method 1, Notification Log. This method works on Android devices and doesn't require any third party apps. Deleted messages are often still visible in your device notification log. Here's how to access this. Step 1, long press on your home screen and tap on Widgets. Scroll through the widgets and look for Settings or Notification Log. Keep in mind that this method has its limitation. It only works if you've received a notification of the message, and it might not show the entire message if it's too long. Method 2, third party apps. There are several apps available in the Play Store that claim to save your WhatsApp messages, even if they get deleted. Apps like WhatsApp Removed Plus or NotiSave are popular choices. And there you have it, folks. Two methods to catch a glimpse of those deleted WhatsApp messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Got any questions or methods to share? Drop a comment below.